Hey gang, hope everybody had a really good Thanksgiving. Today I'm going to do a little quick break. This is the Mega Box 2000 Topps Chrome update series. There's nothing really guaranteed in here. You can get autographs. Obviously you could get a 1/1 Superfractor. Not very likely. There are the odds. It looks like even pulling a basic refractor is kind of tough. So guess we'll basically just be looking for maybe a couple of good rookie cards in here. I went ahead and pulled the packs out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs. So this should go rather quickly. 4 cards per pack. Starting off with a Dustin Fowler rookie and then a Jordan Hicks rookie. Jose Bautista and Yelich. Abreu did get an International Affair, Freddie Freeman. Good looking insert refractor there. Gleyber Torres rookie. I guess there are image variations in here. I'll have to check on that. And a Flaherty rookie. Bryce Harper, Scherzer, oh nice, and Ohtani, and Andujar. So far so good. Peralta rookie, Austin Meadows rookie, another International Affair Moncada, and an Acuna rookie. So definitely go ahead and call this a good box. Got all of the, I think all of the top, well not Albies. If I get him, then I'd say I've got all the top rookies. Stanton and Hoskins, I'd forgotten about him, so there he is. Santana and Austin Meadows. Robles, I'd forgotten about him as well. So, Ichiro, International Affair, Markakis, and Lorenzo Cain. Soroka, Mangden, and Soto. It's another. I guess I just didn't even say all the top rookies because clearly my brain's not working. I think I had too much turkey yesterday, too much tryptophan in my system. And Kenley Jansen. So this was actually a very good box as far as rookies go. I'm actually really happy with this. Yeah, quite nice. Really, 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 really good bunch of rookies here. Acuna, Meadows, yeah. Even Ohtani showed up. Alright, that's it for this little box. I may pick up another couple of these. I don't know if they're all this good, but that seems a pretty good bargain with that many good rookies in one box. So, we'll see. Let me know. Did you get any of these? Do you plan on it? Did you get a bunch of good rookies? Anybody get a refractor? 1 in 48. That's kind of tough. I mean, you have to buy several boxes just to get a refractor. So, I don't know. Okay, everybody take care. I'll be back soon.